Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, and today we're looking at the W&H Lexa and the annual preventative maintenance. When replacing the door gasket, you want to pull from the outside to the inside of the door, and it will simply roll out. When installing the new door gasket, you want to start with the top, putting the outer edge in first, and then pressing in on the inside. Repeat the step on the bottom, and then as well as the sides. As you can see, if you miss any sections, it will not be a firm looking circle all the way around. If you have any bubbles, you can pull out a small section, reinsert the outside section first, and then push the gasket into place. To remove the HEPA filter, you simply unscrew counterclockwise until the filter comes out. The new filter will screw back into place. If you have any questions with your yearly preventative maintenance on your W&H Lexa, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Thank you.